This video doesn't have much of a story. To be honest, we flew into New York with no real plan. Our goal was to see as much as we could in 1 week. We didn't know what to expect.
New York City, let's go!
Videoing, really?
Oh, it's supposed to be a picture.
Well, it's not.
Oh.
It may not be real, but it does hurt.
Murder on the beat.
With no real plan, we wandered aimlessly throughout the city streets, hitting up all the popular tourist sites and landmarks in New York City. We were even interviewed by a Russian Instagram influencer.
So I saw these guys taking pictures next to the Dumbo. Where are you guys from?
Toronto.
Canada.
The weather was a bit chilly, so coffee shops kept us warm throughout our trip.